Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my meal planner, which is the new layout from the Happy Planner, and it is for the week of 17th of January till the 23rd. I am going to be using the florals from Live Love Posh and some boxes from her as well. This is what I decided to do, so I'm going to go ahead and start. And while I place these boxes that way, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel and choosing to spend time with me. I really appreciate you. And if you are brand new and just found me, welcome. I really hope you like it here. And if you do, don't forget to click that subscribe button. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and place 2 more boxes for Saturday and Sunday, and I'm gonna go ahead and move on to florals. So this layout is a little bit tricky, and it seems a little bit of giving me a hard time designing it because of how small the spaces are, and if I put big decoration, that means I can track my meals. So that's an issue. So I'm kind of playing around and putting things where I know it's not going to impact very much. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm taking a couple lines from here and there and just placing really beautiful designs. So like this one I cut into quartz. So it's much easier because the chunks are way less. They're much smaller, that they're much more convenient. So here we go. So I'm going to continue playing with this and kind of cutting it to my needs. And like I said, sometimes I will cut them into halves, sometimes I will cut them into corners, and sometimes I'll just cut everything to pieces and do a mosaic. That happened too. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more florals, not too many, because again, I keep my planners pretty functional. If you guys have this planner and you use the sidebar, let me know what you use it for. I'm super interested. It seems like it could have so many varieties of what to do with it. So let's see. Okay, we'll go ahead and take a strip off from that sticker. I'm just gonna apply it to this side because all scraps are welcome. I'm gonna cut the sticker again as well. And kind of place it in between the 2 boxes somewhere like this to still have all of the planning power. Okay, so in the boxes I can put like steps, mood, sleep, and workout. So it'll be kind of interesting to see how I like that layout and see where I go from there. So previous year, if you watched me, I was using a regular vertical for my wellness, and I think it is much easier, but this is so much more organized and it requires so much less of planning and doing those bullet points. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more of those tiny little stickers and then I will be done. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And as always, comment. I get so happy when I get to see your guys' comments and chat with you a little. Okay, thank you for stopping in and spending time with me, and I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thanks!